There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the AuvoriaPrime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hello, Velo. Hello, Nico. What's up, guys? How are you doing? Catching some pips? That's good. That's good. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. So I'm in this trade. I'll just put my stop loss to break even now. And yeah, I think we're golden then. I think something like that will do. Let's check this. Yeah, we're gonna soon open GBGPY also. Velo knows the drill. GPY, yeah. 50-minute close, didn't close above, so, and we have very bad, so from here to here, we have like 1 pip, from this zone to this zone. So, well, don't worry. I mean, really don't sweat it, because you still have time, a lot of time. Okay, we're gonna do analysis in a minute. So let's wait if someone wants to come, and let's start with the trading today. So I'm in this trade, I take profit, this position open from London. This was my take profit 1. Today, this one is secured, so stop loss is here. This one is secured, stop loss in break even, and it's reversing. Okay, great. Let's see if I'm gonna be kicked out. If not, then this will be a nice ride up. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Or we're gonna start looking for sells. So GBGPY, nothing here. AUVORIAPRME, nothing here. So we have 12 minutes. Let's relax. And I'm out. I'm out of this trade. Okay. Good. It was going so nicely. Damn, boy. Okay. No problem. When I trade retracements, I usually put break even faster, so I'm more safer. It's more safe for me. But yeah, this take profit could be better. It could be a little bit lower. So something like this. I mean, entry could be a little bit lower, somewhere around here, and then it would be nice 11 pips. But still, job well done. Yeah. What about you guys? How were your weeks last week? Did you make any money? Any changes, some improvement to your own strategy? Or where do I have, let's go another way, where they have problem in your strategy? So by now, most of you learned how you can trade every day with small wins, small losses, even smaller losses. So let me hear about your journey, about your experiences. Okay, this was still in. Beautiful trade. 9 pips currently. loading up nicely. Let's see. Yeah, this one did well, but I have this one already, and this one is like stop loss for this one is here. So that means that, oops, 3.4. What do you mean value by that? So 8 pips was secured. Well, what do you mean by that? Panther 1 IM 2.7 LT 4. I mean only your trading. Panther is not your. Panther is doing job for you. Okay, I'm kicked out here, but that's okay. It's New York. It's Monday. A lot of reversal every time. So yeah, how is your manual trading journal? I only want to hear about manual. If you would do me an honor to share with me how you doing. Did someone trade GBP/JPY in Friday? So guys, now is your last chance to ask, because from here on now, there will be no more streaming problem. At least not in the way we did it. There will be more knowledge, better entries. So entries like this, like this, like this, and entries like this one, and even this one. Yeah, this was an entry. So I stayed up late. I picked this one. Yes. Yes, Kitty, I hear you. Yes, I hear you. So yeah, give me your journey. How are you doing? How are the trades going? Where are the problems? Hello, Sonia. Just asking, guys, how are their trading journals going? And I don't know if it's not good or you just don't want to share. No one's okay. No one saying anything. Good. Then I will be quiet whole session too. Just quiet trading with the music. If that's what you want, if you didn't come to learn, that's all right. My situation, I'm up. So I'm great. I'm great. Making profit every day so far. I mean, I was in Tipper and we did some investing. It was great. Very good. Turkish Tipper, very good. Really good. So Sanya, thank you for your questions. I love when we can co-react because it's really important, guys. Try to do it at home. Go to your, let's say, mirror and talk with yourself for 2.5 hours. I mean, yeah, I have market that moves, but so if you want to be part of this, just come, say hello, say hi, let's talk. Okay. Okay, we do that. Guys, hello? Hello? Okay, so you don't hear me, huh? Do you hear me? Guys? Guys? Hear you. Okay, sorry. Don't know why. Now? Still not. Okay. Microphone volume. Microphone volume. Okay, so it's on my name. This says that you don't, that I'm not speaking anything, but if you hear me, that's okay. So you're new. Daniel Guyan is new. Okay, Daniel, have you seen any of my previous videos that I did for AP? You have them on their YouTube channel. You can check. So no, not yet. Okay. After this stream, go there. I will give you some advices today. So we will start with the rundown for those 4 pairs. And yeah, let's see. Okay, getting everything ready. Getting everything ready. Okay, Sanya, Daniel, and Velo, everyone, thank you for asking questions. I know I'm a fast speaker, but any small feedback, it's way better. So I know that you get my point, because if you don't, that's okay, but I just need some back feed. Yeah, I have Sanya, but this was I put this in I think at 11 o'clock. So yeah, I was waiting 35 minutes and now I'm this one. I put stop loss 2 pips in because I still hold this position from this London session. So yeah, this one I was stopped out here. GVGPY, still waiting for it. LDGPY reversing now, that's okay, because I had big hope that it will go up, but on the 5th minute, I saw that here we may have potential on this week. So when this one closed, I put stop loss on this low and I took 5 pips. Thank you very much. That's it. Okay, let's do breakdown. So as you know, we start, it's the new week, yeah? So in Monday, we start with a weekly. Why? Because it gives an idea what weekly could look like. So let's do some observations. We have time, I think, for another 20, 30 minutes, probably nothing will happen. So weekly. So what is healthy weekly? Yeah, we want to know what is healthy weekly. Healthy weekly move is a thick candle, so fat candle with, this is not candle shaming, so don't worry. They don't have feelings, they're not emotional, because no one in Forex should be emotional. They have wicks, some have large wicks, some have small wicks, but they have thick bodies and a lot of wicks. Okay, so these are healthy. Around 85% of the candles are healthy. So 85%. If someone is doing some notes, heads off, you should do some notes. So 85% of those are healthy. Yeah. So meaning that 85% of those candles that we can see always has 1 week, 2 weeks, nice closure, they're thick and not some doji style, something like that. Okay. So we started bullish on weekly, we are very bullish. Maybe we can see hold this set up again because we closed above, wick back. So we made like our basic movement that we are talking about all the freaking time. So up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so here will be your perfect entry. So when we cross this, we probably can see nice big moves up. Okay, so weekly we see bullish. Let's go on the daily. Daily, the same stuff, but bigger picture. So more candles. So we have like big uptrend. We'll then see in this market head and shoulders. Look, 1, 2, 3, and neck is broken. So head and shoulders pattern. Again, I hope you are taking notes. Head and shoulders pattern is this one. Okay, what are you expecting when you see this and this high? This high, they're usually something like that, but there is another version which I will show later. You're waiting for this neck to break. So this is neck, yeah, this is head, this is shoulder, so this is neck. I know it's not like biological, but all good. So we have this one, you see, almost equal highs. Then we have down, up, down, up, okay? So then we wait for this neckline to break, okay? And we go sell here, put stop loss here, and we want to see all this move down taken, yeah? Well, this doesn't usually happen, but it's one of the signals retail traders use. So we had head and shoulders, meaning that this move is correction, like this. And now we have another close above, and now this is correction, and probably we'll see another push up. Can someone tells me, is this move or this move bigger? What do you think? Is this move bigger than this move? Again, it seems like I'm out of the, yes, nice, Velo. Thank you, Gio. Velo, you're giving me my hopes up. Perfect. Yeah, the first one is bigger, that's right. The first one is bigger, and we already had, like, this is the whole move, yeah? And we had correction. And now we have smaller move and already correction. What do you think will happen soon? So this is what we talk about, yeah? If you have strong, healthy candles, that means a strong, healthy move. But what when those candles become smaller and smaller? What does it mean when the candles become smaller and smaller? Exhaustion. Perfect, Daniel. That's great. We get exhaustion. So we are trying to look for flip or to change or reverse this whole move and maybe find a way down. We will see if that will happen. So overall, but for now, we are bullish, yeah. Okay, so still bullish. We are now pushing up on 4 hour through this zone. That's why when we saw this one, I entered buy. Okay, I will show you later why, when, how. So yeah, this is the zone we just broke. So we went down, we went up, down. We made here nice rejection and push up and down again. And now we are breaking this high. See? So always doing this. But sometimes it takes a little longer. You know, it's not, market is not perfect, but we need a perfect picture in our head to see something. So when this 4 hour closes, if it closes above, we're good to go. Okay, good. So let's do some trade lines and we will see some stuff later that will help you understand the market even more. So let's pick this one and let's pick this one. So right now we are in the channel that is bouncing inside. But here we broke outside, okay? We broke outside and now we are continuing about this. So this means that from our past week, we are gaining momentum to the upside. Not really gaining momentum because still we have small candles, but we are getting close to this zone that will potentially, when it will be broke, it will take some liquidity. Liquidity is money. We just called it that way. Okay, it will take some money from these zones and bring it down, or take some money and push it up. So these are two ways. So where do we enter? We see what market do, and then we enter. Okay, so overall, here we have like nice consolidation. So money is getting better here. We want to see breakout before we enter a trade on the long run, of course. So let's go back down to 30 minutes and see where we're at. We are here. Nice job, everybody. You saw that we are here. So 30-minute zones here. So because you can see we have big struggle, but that's okay because the volume will come in soon. Okay. Okay, why on 30 minutes? Because now I can go back down to 50 minutes and see which one is real, struggle. Okay. And now I have a picture that we need to close below. We need to close below here and close above this one to get a nice drive up. Okay. So that's it. Now we know what market can do, and when it comes to that, we will react. Also here would be viable to do something like this. We will take this as a precaution trade because it's Monday, so we don't know how volume will react, but it seemed fine so far. Okay, so what are we waiting for now? You see, candle must close above. We know that now. Everybody who's coming here must know that now. We have a close above. We want to see weak back. We enter on this flip. We put pending buy stop, or if there's no time, you just press order open, sorry, and that's it. We put stop loss on this low, take profit on next zone, and this is our trade. Okay, and our entry is here, of course. Okay, so this is buy, and here we need to have push down. We need to candle of 50 minutes must close below. We want to see big weak back, bigger than on buy. We're gonna put stop loss on this week and go with the flow. Okay, and we have sells done. Great job, everybody. Now you know what can happen, and when the market reacts, you know what to do. Let's go next one. Weekly, we started with some small candles, definitely smaller than AUDJPY. So this is another pair, GBPJPY. We see that we are in some bullish momentum, but let's take a look again. We have big moves and then smaller and smaller and smaller moves, So one could say that this is accumulation, and he would be right. Then some big moves now and some correction, and moves and correction. Can you see something here that every retail trader knows? So I'm talking about this. Yeah, what is this? So, or to be prettier, something like that. What is this? How do we call this? Double top. Double top. That would be the greatest answer, because some people call this M, but double top is the right term. And good job, Daniel. So we're looking for double top, but on the real side, honestly, this is not double top. Why? Because we have close above, and we had weak back. Now we're pushing up. So this is not close. This is not double wick, even though I led you nicely to believe that. But we have strong channel up. Not perfect, no. It's not double top. Double top is always closed on the same. Always. Look, you see? Double top. Double top. it should be perfect. So that it's called double top, it should be perfect. So this one should close bearish. So this one should close. Here you could enter. So if you want to trade double tops, you should enter here. Put stop loss on this wick, enter on this close, and go down here. And you would again miss, but you need to get sorry. You need to take in consideration some wicks. So this is probably February. Yeah, this is the war. But yeah, just so you know how to trade double tops. So this is weekly. Okay, let's go back to the daily. Let's just delete some stuffs. Okay, so we saw that we have like nice bullish momentum and big correction. Had the shoulders again, like we talked about it before. Nice sell. So if you would sell here on the neckline, your stop loss would be this, and take profit would be around down here. Again, it didn't work out. So that's why we don't trade this, at least I don't. And now we have like some great push down, ups and downs. Okay, so we are expecting this. At least we are expecting this move. So this zone to be filled on daily basis. Good. 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, guys, we'll just have to ask for your 5 minutes because my cat wants to go outside. So 5 seconds. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that, but if my cat is gonna piss inside, then I'm a big problem. Just joking. Okay, you hear me correctly? Yeah, I'm just clapping to reset my mic because what's his name? Her name is Spectra. Spectra. So my sister named her. So that's that. I will tell my sister to send me. Oh, I think I can show you some photos later. So we'll take a pin of that so you can see what the Spectra looks like. Very pretty kitty. I can also show you who wants to see what we saw in Cyper. I mean, it's really beautiful city. So yeah, I guess you would love it, guys. So yeah, so I'm of course. Okay, let's continue here and then we'll continue with my kitty and my expedition. Okay, so right now money management, we'll just put stop loss. Yeah, I'm closing this trade now, so closing this one. Good, great profit today. Yeah, so we talked about 4 hour, we have this low. We are expecting what? We're expecting continuation on higher time frames, meaning we want to see setups to get on these higher time frames. Okay. 4 hour, we can see we are in big zone. So we are need to get out of this. Also, if you look here, you see the descending, yeah, descending market, which means that when we break above this one, we'll probably just as easily fly out, like we want to do that. So 2 stops that are working for us, 30 minutes, again, 30-minute zone, we already did that. No, we didn't, okay. No, we didn't, we did that on the previous one. So 30-minute zones, one is here. Let's see how much is from this one to this one. 22 pips, that means that this one is okay. And from this one to this one, 11 pips, yeah, okay, this could work. So we had a touch. So right now we start with 30 minutes. I usually don't do that because I know which one is which, but for you to learn, I think that's great. So sells above here. If it goes below, we can sell and fill this wick. Okay, maybe even this one. What happened to my music? Good. Okay, 50 minutes. 15 minutes. See hap. So now I'm start looking for a trouble because this one is okay, but I see problem here and here. And now again, nice zone up. But guys, we now remember from gold that this kind of settings or ranges are not perfect. So we need to be careful inside of those. Even though they're big, beautiful ones, we still need to be careful. Okay. So for now, it seems like we are waiting for some closer above. We want to see close above here to buy this top. So no trade zone, careful, okay. Waiting for this one to something to happen. So this is 30 minutes, meaning we can put something like that here and down, down. We will also add daily and 4-hour flip later. So Euro USD, yeah, why not? I'm also done with that. Nice big sells. Okay, so weekly we are now reversing. We had like, I mean, for me, Euro USD will continue down, but we can see here that we are gaining some momentum for up. So this low bounced, but we know that each week, each pretty candle needs a wick. So maybe just doing upper wick today. Okay, because currently this is still strong bullish, sorry, bearish trend. Okay, and we talk about euro a lot here, so you know, guys, what to expect. You know what to expect, not from euro, just on the daily basis from life. I guess that would be great case. Yeah. So how much is this week? 42 pips, damn boy. Okay. But night zone. So I think if we get the close above here, we could fill this zone. Euro USD, it's not so simple to trade, but still manageable. 1 hour, bearish momentum. Problems here. This area. I'm calling them problems, so I'm aware of them, not because I'm afraid of them, so I can challenge them. Turn this in my way. Okay, on 15 minutes, we have bullish movement. So this channel, so now we're just waiting for like what will happen here, maybe touch and fall down, something like that. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so Cyprus time. I hope this one will send all my photos now. So it's great to be like free to travel this. So, and I made a lot of money from Forex trading. So now I want to invest some, so I don't need to work, because trading is not, yeah, not send this like this. Okay. Trading is not passive income. Trading is active income. If someone tells you that you're trading, this is passive income, bullshit. Okay, bullshit. Trading is active income. Why? Because you need to put time, money, energy in it. You know what's passive income? Panther is passive income. That's it. You put money into Panther, Panther works. You take money out, this is not work. Okay. So we have nice push up. What's the problem? So let's first see what should happen for us to entry. We need to close above. We need to wick back. and then we take profit here. Okay, that seems fine. But we look at the time. It's 11, so it means it had 10 more minutes. What can happen? We can push back up and close below. We can push up more than the 0.5%, the half of the zone, and the zone is actually filled, and that's done. So that's not the greatest candle to entry. So yeah, damn guys, I'm giving a lot of value. I'm really hoping you're making some notes here. Okay. So yeah, my kitty. Let's go with my kitty. Not mine, it's from my sister. At least when she was like 15 years old, she was like 12 years old. No, this cat is mine. This is mine. It's not yours. And all the family was like kidding her back. Yeah, then you buy food for it. Then you take her to a veterinarian. You clean after her. And she started. So that's great. Started to clean after her a little bit, not much. You know, the kids nowadays. But yeah. But yeah. I bought some Ray-Bans in Turkey. In Turkey, we missed a flight. So we had to wait like 5 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, yeah, from 1 a.m. Till 1 a.m. Yeah, well, we just talked about GBP-JPY. We waited for our flight. 1 p.m. till 6 p.m. 6 a.m. Like I was so tired and we didn't even go to sleep. We slept like, let's say, for 2 hours and then went back to see some real estate, to get some numbers, to make a decision, to see the city. We went also for the beach, which was great. So yeah. Kitty, kitty, damn, I have everything, not my kitty. So yeah. 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 So how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Hope you did. I hope you did. Your Sanya did some swimming. Sanya, you went back to the sea, did you? Back to the summer house in Zadar. Rika, yeah, sorry, Rika, yes. How can I upload this to you so we'll see? So that's nothing big. I know. Velo, you were working. Good job. Not many people work nowadays. Bad way, so don't get me wrong, I guess. But yeah, I did some pictures, I did some videos, and they're not all that great, you know, and I didn't delete the bad ones yet. Show you what I think it's important. So this is one of the projects I'm sharing with you. The one that we are investing currently in. It's not for sale yet, will be in a few days. Yeah. You down. I bought new Ray-Bans. In a Turkish airport, I bought some new Ray-Bans, original ones for like $80. Crazy deal. There you go. That's my kitty. Okay. Telegram. I have Telegram here. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, I can. Okay. So 6 minutes before closure. I don't think this would be a great entry, but maybe we can pull something out. So from my trade below, I think, yeah, I would. Okay. So Daniel, you're the new one. Can you get a picture or hang of it, how the strategy is working? You're still learning. That's okay. It just doesn't mean you need to be perfect in it. I'm just asking if you see, if you're understanding what I'm saying. Doesn't mean you will never be. I mean, didn't do anything yet. What do you mean? What do you need to do to be a trader? Yeah, I know. And I'm asking if you're getting what I'm telling you. So if you're like getting my explanation of my strategy. Oh, that's it. Okay, great. That's it. So because you're new, you can get here. I mean, ask me what you don't get or you don't understand. That's it. That's it. So it's New York time. We did some news. No, we are waiting for cat picture. Okay. Good job. Telegram Messenger. So let me just download that. Yeah. Yeah. Just need to install some Telegram. Whatever it takes. Start Telegramming. Yep. So I see that it's working. I mean, I'm sending some pictures, so later on you'll see more. Devices. There we go. I need to. Okay. I have some weird things I see. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Okay, guys, do you see my screen? Sorry, Dan. Let's see now. And, oh yeah, I will do that for sure. If I'm going to have some question, I will ask it. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. That means a lot. Because if I'm doing this for you guys, I'm doing this for you. Okay, thank you for feedback. So this is like in the night, we had nice big dinner here, like some big ass fish from Turkey I never saw before. It was great. Like they made it in a way they do ribs in Dubai, like so soft and smooth like a butter. So very good. And this is like in the daily. You can see beaches and palms and like these villas. So instant access to the beach. So this is like 100 meters. And this is like the project that is finishing now, not finished completely yet. So as you can see, this was the restaurant. I have one video from here above, the sea, of course. So yeah, this is one of the villa from up front, from the front. So here is the beach access down. My glasses. Again, another villa. So this and this one. And this is the project. Okay, so I send you. This is those are the villas. We ate here, and yeah, here are like the singles. So like four studios in one. Here like half and halves. One pool. They have a pool inside that's filled with water, like this pool. Yeah. I'm investing not in this project, but from this company. So no, this one is already sold. I think that if someone wants to invest, contact me. They still have like, I think 1 or two, I think this one and this one. So this one and this one are free. So they have also pools for the children, you know, pools and summers and stuffs like that. I think here, yeah, here they have the basket course. So basketball course, and here, no, here, sorry. Here below this pool is a gym. It's a gym and a wellness. Below here, like in the ground, is a gym and a wellness. Let's see. So I just grabbed some stuff, so I don't really know. So what? Okay, so that this is the villa. I mean, this is the place that we were staying. So the project that we are, you see my mouse? Do you see my mouse? See my mouse? Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, okay. So the new project that we are investing in will stand here. So somewhere around here will be this new project. Okay, but this is the beach, like sandy beaches, very clean. Okay. What more do we have? Okay, some night shots. They didn't really look well. How do you decide what to invest? Well, when you get to the capital like me, people are like fighting for your money, so you get really the best offer. Okay. But yeah, you will see. When you come here at this kind of level, which you can in a few years, maybe even before. So this is like in front of the villa, yeah? Huh? So I took the picture of this. Listen, this is a great story. I took the picture of this, and my girl said, is this like a Photoshop or animation? Because it looks really perfect. Here is a little bit like not great quality, but on the phone it's like 4K, you know. So this is the view, yeah. Okay, so like here you have one studio, second studio, third, and this is all for renting, yeah. And here terrace above also with this one. This is like 2+1. Okay, and yeah, the main stuff I liked is actually that you have road and you can park car here. And I don't know, look at this, look at the view on the left. There you go. Huh? So yeah, that's why it's worth to keep going, you know, to keep pushing, to keep searching for stuff that works in the market. Okay, another video. Okay, let's just check the market in the meantime. Yeah, well, I told you, see, no entry for us. Maybe here, Euro USD, catching some slack. So yeah, if I would keep my trades open, this would be like really nice entry. So my entry was around here, I believe, and had like 10 pips stop loss. So now I would be back in profit. But okay, it's okay. It's Monday. In Monday, you cannot be too careful. Okay. Do you want to see more of the trading or more of the Cypher? Or both? Not a lot of news today. Yeah, bank holiday. Ah, there you go. That's why the London was so beautiful. Didn't even check today. So guys, what should we do now? Looks for some more trade opportunities, or should we look at the Cypher? Real estate investing. I will wait for this one. Yeah. Maybe I will give you some trades here, but before we do that, before I'm gonna take another trade here, I want to see close above this. Okay, and then maybe we can get nice pullback in this area, something like that, maybe higher, maybe lower, we'll see. And then we will take some big ass trades. Yeah, maybe to fill this zone or maybe even this one. Okay. So now guys, speak with me. What do you want to see? Cyprus. Okay. All of you for Cyprus? How many of you? So here's there. We have Sanya, Daniel, Vela. Okay. Yeah, it's somewhere here. So this is another video. Yeah, this is like from downstairs. I want to catch you in the stand. I got it, bro. Got you, bro. So you see, this is the mini apartment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is like 6 apartments in one. Okay, so this is 1-to-1. This is like studios. Yeah, you know studios. So this is at the beginning. As you see, here is the road. Here is this main stuff, main facility, and here is the entry. Okay. And the company that is building this, they are also there. Look at this view. I mean, this one, this was really impressive for me. Wait. So like this view. So the company that is building all these, they also do maintenance. So they will flower, they do flowering for you. They will clean for you if you want to book this. So it's very good for investors. We did this. Yeah, this is that. Okay. So some more pictures. Like this is just open, so that's not a lot. What's not a lot? So this lady, this is a lady actually, bought this whole one. So this is half and a half. Okay. And she bought whole one, decided to, so here are 2 pools. As you can see, she just went with 1 pool and make a big terrace here. So one badass lady. And this is the horizontal view. So now here the pool is seen, some lazy river. I think this is lazy river, but I don't know. And here, like I said, down here it's a wellness, gym, stuff like that. Another video. Ah, and this is the fish. So yeah, you see, all buttery like. That was the fish. Yeah, yeah, that was monstrum fish. And this is my cat. Yeah, this is some old couch that I'm having, and she is having all for herself. So she should be sleeping here, but you know, cats are cats. And then in the morning or in London session, she comes up like she's here half hour before I wake up, and then she comes by the or I come to her, or she comes to me, like to give me, we say to that, high five, or so like she gets her head and bounced about it my fist, and then she went back to sleep. And then, you know, when I go to for lunch, sorry, for breakfast in like 10-11, she goes with me, stuff like that. So we call her that in the morning she's trading. So that's how she deserves her living in in our house. No, it's all a joke, but you get my point. Okay, so close about here. Maybe we can get some entries. No closure yet. All good. Yeah, I think this one. So my trade was, I think somewhere around here. No, it was here. So yeah, this would be still active. Yeah, this would be still active. But because I'm streaming, I cannot do the like give you analysis from the top because I see different things now. Okay. Okay. Okay, any more questions, comments, observations? Again, guys, you're still not speaking with me. What should I do? What should I show you? Show you more pictures? Because it seems like you're not commenting what I'm showing you on the charts, but only what I show you pictures. Give us time to write. Okay, guys, that's true. That's fair. That's fair assumption, actually. Daniel, on GBP/JPY, are you waiting for this stop to break this stop left? Yeah, this is the zone for me, the zone, and this is the range. So the zone is when the price bounces. Okay, because price had problem here, probably it will have it again, like it had here, 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 and here. So that's why this is my take profit. Or that means that when it closes above, we can have nice drive like we had here. Okay, but the problem here is that this move was probably fundamental. So Velo and Sanya, I know, I'm sorry, I outspoke. So this was fundamental move. So because of the news, we had like woof. So I think this was NFT. Yeah, so 17 June. Yeah, I think something like that, because we were talking with Matej Fomak, maybe something like that. No, don't worry. So these fundamental moves now needs to be corrected, because it was not the honest move, or how can I say it decent? This was like move. Okay, we're gonna do news next. News next. Okay, so this move needs to be corrected. Let's just finish with that, so we don't get too complicated to news with that. But yeah, overall, what I want to see now, guys, you know this already. I want to see this one close above. I want to see another one get down here and fly up. Okay, let's do this the way we usually do it. So I want to see this. So I want to see this week back. Okay, so for me, it needs to do this week back before it flies up. Okay, when you start to do week back, we put pending order here. Okay, so pending order here. We put stop loss. We take 8 pips for starter, but if the wick is smaller, we put it on the wick. And then when this one flips, we put stop loss in here. So on this wick, and let it run. When we are 10 pips, we are starting to take trades, stuff like that. But I think that here we were gonna have some problems. So this is only my thinking. So like, I think the first take profit should be like 10 pips and the only profit. Okay, so this is it. This is the price, the strategy, the flip strategy. That's why I called her the flip strategy, because you're waiting for the flip. Good. Daniel, is that okay? You understand that? Yes. Okay, great. Yeah, I think EURUSD will be nice in a few hours. Maybe I'll give you some signals. So for all my students here, I give them signals, not signals, just my trades, so they can analyze them. So these are all the people who learn from me, you know, stuff like that. Okay. Great question, Sonia. How many pairs do you trade and when this pair? Okay. So mostly I trade on the pairs that moves. And mostly, if I say how many pairs I know I can trade EURUSD, I can trade GBP/USD, I can trade USD CAD. Okay. I trade this like a swings. Then I know how to scalp on AUD/JPY, and I know how to scalp on GBP/JPY. Okay. do some AUDJPY, GBJPY, and go for the gold. So gold is like reserve. So like in January, I trade gold, but then later on, I almost never trade gold anymore. Almost. So why long, slow moves, meaning that I can like trade, they have smaller stop losses than Audi and GBP. So I take like 8 pips and this, where was that trade? Yeah. I think it was something around here. So I'm not trying to just say, yeah, this is what I did, but trying to show you what I'm usually trading. Stuff like this. Someone who is following me know that this range is so beautiful, and we're gonna take this one. So yeah, 1 to 8, 1 to 9, yeah, something like that. So that's why I trade those pairs. I would take this also, but I didn't know if this one will get filled or not. Okay, so that's why I trade Euro, GBP, USD CAD, especially USD CAD. USD CAD is really nice. So we closed above GBP, GPY. What's the problem, Velo? Why we're not gonna enter? It didn't close high above. It closed like 2 pips maximum. And we already had a big push down, but here we have VIX city. So what we want to see, we want to close. So we want to close at least in the middle of those wicks, because now price can came up and continue down. Okay. The GPY, it closed above, but not enough. The same, it closed above only what, for half pip. Even though the range is clear, I would say it is clear, maybe not. Okay, it didn't close about here, so no, still waiting. Okay, now we have great pull. What do we say about candles without wick? So we can teach Daniel. What do we say about candles without wick? If I'm going too fast, guys, just tell me. Velo said it's bad, yeah? We don't trust them, yeah? We don't trust them, because now if the price comes here, you know what will happen? Foo, down. From here to here, we will see the fastest movement of the market ever, like ever. So don't trust without wicks, okay? So let's see if you place pending order here. What is your stop loss? 9 pips, not that bad. Like I said, I don't like the wicks here. So what can potentially happen is that this will flip and make you like 4 pips and then continue down, okay? That's why I don't want to see this. That's why I'll be nice and calm and wait. Nice and calm and wait. So remember that we can see bank holiday. What does the bank holiday means? Can someone tell me what they think the bank holiday means? Smaller volume, low liquidity. Okay, okay, you're getting close. But okay, so everybody who is coming here, that's great answers, every one of them. Velo, what do you say? So it's only 3 of you, so why not give you 100%? So I know, well, if the English is not, I mean, if my English is not understandable, just let me know. I'm gonna change it to the understandable one. We'll see. I could do that. Guys, now I'm waiting for you to write. So now I'm waiting and you're not writing. See? Okay. So why do we trade 12 bulky guys? Okay, guys. So Sanya is going. Okay, sorry. No problem, Sanya, no problem. All good. Bulk guys. So Sanya is leaving, no problem. What I want to show you, tell you, no? Okay, my bad. So it also means, it means low liquidity. So if the banks are out of the game, yes, this means that they are out of liquidity, big guys don't trade. That's exactly my point. Why do we trade at 12.30 and above? Of course, 12.35 is the right number, but we start at 12.30, so we can get ready. Okay, so this is like the most important part. So if you didn't write anything down, do this. Okay, do this. You have like 7 volumes. You have Asian. So in Asia, you have what? You have Asian Open or Tokyo Open. It's happened between 2 to 3 a.m. So around here. Okay, this is one. Then, if you cannot read behind me, just tell me, I will put it in the chat. Then you have London. For London, you have 2 volumes. One is at my time, so Euro time, Euro Central Time. It's 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Okay, so 9:00. So this one is pre-London, so 1 hour before London opens, and stocks in the London Open, yeah. And then you have another one. You have New York. We call it New York, yeah. New York session, because you know the big New York Wall Street stuff. Okay, so we have pre New York at my time again. We have it at 13:00. So 1 hour before New York, you have 13:00. Then you have New York, which is 14 or 2 o'clock a.m. in London, in my time. And then you have Wall Street Open, which is like 15:00 or 3 p.m. Europe time. Okay, and these are your sell. So volume 1, volume 2, 3, sorry, yeah, London, volume 1, 2, so 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and maybe sometimes we have Asian Open, but it's not really tradable because you have spreads like 10 pips, 15 pips. So that's why I'm not mentioning that. So these are like the main stuff. You need to start looking because you need to trade when there is a volume. Why? Because if you're not, you're gonna miss the place. Daniel, guys and girls, so sorry I have to go now. Lots of work to do today. All good. Have fun. Okay, so for everybody who is also so for everybody who is also watching this on the YouTube, take note of this. Go backtest stuff. So how do you backtest? Okay, let's go. You go in the past, I don't know how, when, not, what, and you go at the, okay, perfect. Perfect example. Like I didn't know this was here, yeah? So this is 8, like this is 8. This one opened when pre-London kicked in. Pre-London kicked in and it flowed down. 9 a.m. London opened. It started to go up and then down. Okay. So now we have like, we're looking for, again, look, pre-New York, volume pushed it up. Okay. 1 hour before, this one pushed it down and hold it here until we had like nice moves when New York Exchange opened. Again, nice move down. And you can go there back in the past and like, how can I say it? Backtest this over and over again because market is doing the same stuff over again. What the only difference that is happening that sometimes backtesting and forward testing doesn't work. It's what we also saw in the robot. And I didn't know that before I started trading with robots and building robots. The only problem we have is that your sample is too small. What's the sample? So when you start backtesting, you should not take like for 2 weeks because 2 weeks ago, the market was different. You should take like 100 trades or 100, let's say 100 days to see if this strategy is profitable. But 100 days, that's not a lot. It's only 3 months. Yeah. So what you should do is take strategy, backtest it for a year, and then you have like 70%. Your call is in bad time. So then you have like 70. Sorry. Okay, let's go back to backtesting. So if you backtest, sorry, you did me right now. If you do backtest, you should, and you do it for 1 year, you can be sure that your strategy will work for at least 3 to 4 months. After that, you cannot be sure anymore. Then you take these 4 months and you backtest again 1 year, and then stuff like that. And you change the strategy so it works better. Okay. So only problem is the sample. How much data you can backtest. Okay. Sanya asked if my session is in bedtime. I don't know. So what time I'm covering? I'm covering what? I'm covering 13:00. I'm covering 14:00, and I'm covering 15:00. I'm trying to be I guess I'm covering all of them. So how is the bedtime? How is my call in bedtime? We just start early. We just start 15 minutes before pre-New York because we can make a nice entry. Okay. So this is the only reason we started early. And so I don't need to hurry to like explain you everything like 5 minutes and kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. So I can go like, okay, let's make this as easy as possible. So your call is the change of trend occurred during this time. Great question. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes I would say, yeah, you're 100% right, but it's not always the case because you need to take in consideration daily. So if you take daily, can you say that we're gonna have in New York that we're gonna have big push down? No, we cannot. Even if you say weekly is bullish, we're gonna have nice week down, push down. Yeah, this is more plausible. So what you need to know or try to understand is that trend, the only trend that it's for real, it's on the daily, weekly, and 4 hour. All the small trends are just waves inside this channel of daily. So sometimes when we are selling against daily, it's not because we are changing trend, but because the pullback is happening. So like pump is happening, so the big push will happen. Okay, so the same stuff is also happening right now in Bitcoin. Sanya, why? Why do you mean? What do you mean by why? Ah, you answered. Okay, great. So yeah, what do we say, huh? So what I missed? Why I missed? That is like for 16%. Okay. So yeah, now we're gonna see fake bull. We're gonna see maybe not even here. Maybe we can see something here, something like that, and down, or even before. So this and this. So this, let's say this and this zone are my main zones where we can see bounce down. Okay, but there is still possibility that we're gonna see push up and then big down, because one candle or rather 2 candles, it's not bullish. If you see one candle, this can be only retracement. Like, look, this is retracement. This can still be like a bloodbath for down. Okay, so yeah. Do you recommend to sell? Can you give me your average price? Where did you enter? Not trading. Yeah, you're holding. So where did you start buying? Oh, damn, boy. Oh, wow, Sanya, why are you not here on these sessions? I told you this will happen. I told you guys. I did. But okay. You need to listen more, Sanya. Yeah, my Sanya. All good. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You will learn. You will learn. We all did. Or we keep losing. You will learn. Until then, you will keep losing. Yeah, I know. So right now we are what? You're like 60% down. What I would do, I would wait for this level and take. Now Sanya, take the paper, okay? Take the paper. Write this down, please. Write this down. Okay, you're gonna write it down. So we're gonna manage your position if you want, but you need to write it down and do it. Like really do it. Okay. Wait for this. Okay. So if you get like now, if you're gonna sell, you're gonna lose another like 60% of those. Okay. But if it comes back, you're gonna be in profit, but not big ones. So you will actually be holding drawdown for some times. Yeah. So what I would do, I would go and close on this level, 20 to 25% of your position. If it continues up, close another 20, 25 position. So take out 20 to 25. If it continues up, you didn't lose your money because from this top, it will still come down. Maybe not so low, but it will still come down. Okay, so don't worry. Even if you close some minus, don't worry. Okay. You're with me? You're with me? So this is one level and second level. Okay, I think this will be hit, but maybe just for your caution, maybe take 10% off here and some another 30 or 20% here, as you wish. Do as you wish and you think is right. Okay, so no financial advice. And then when we get here, put all this money that you took out, put it here. So why? Because then, okay, put it around here. So around 10K, 12K, put it all in, like, because you have nothing to lose anymore, okay? So why? Because now this is your position. When you will take 50% out, when you will take 50% out, this position will be here, okay? So 50%, 40%, doesn't matter. And you will put this all here. Or let's be conservative and say you will not do this, you will put it here and 12K, okay? How can you share with me how you push, or I do like 10K math? Okay, yeah, better to put it in Panther next time, but now you know. Still nothing. Yeah, still nothing. Okay, so 2,800. Now we'll need to do some math. So here was like 2,500. And here we had like 57. Okay, we will do this. 45%. Okay. So on this position, we have like 2,100 minus 45%. Let's do half. Okay. So this is what you have left. I mean, you know, I don't want to be like too complicated because probably you didn't bought at the exact price. So let's just go with that. Maybe one pip up or down, so, you know, stuff like that. So if you have 125 here, when it comes back, go and take like 10% out. So 10%. So 10%. Where is this one? I think. Yeah. Okay, this would be like 125. 125. Maybe double of this. So double of this is like 20%. Yeah. Okay. Take this out. Put it at the side. Maybe something like that. So 25 or 150. Okay. Nope, I don't want this. Okay, so this is at this level. Now at this level, you will go. So you're left here. You're left with 100. Okay, if you take 150 out, you do less or more, but so you get the picture. Okay, but you're left with this, but now you're higher. Plus, yeah, did I do this? No, I didn't do correctly. Okay, second. So here we have like this. Okay. So I don't want to get you confused, so that's why I'm trying to make it as slick as possible. So when this goes up, when this goes up, you will gain 30% up. Okay, so that means that 100, no, 1250 plus 30% equals equals 1625. Okay, so what you can do from this one, take like 10 or 20% off. Let's say 325 to be easier, off. Okay, so this or this. Okay, so this is your one scenario. So if this one happens, then you have 300 ready to put it in. Okay, this is one. Let's do another one. And let's say you did that, you put this out. So you put this out, meaning on this level you had like what, 16, wait, 1625 minus 395, 130. So we have like this. And then it pushes up to this. So this is another 25%. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, plus 25% equals 1625. Damn, nice math. Okay, so you take 30% off. So this is how much you take off. And now we're gonna calculate all that, and you will see why this is so freaking strong, to learn how to manage your capital. Okay. So at this point, you're left with today I will be one. 100,000. So left is 1138 is left. Okay. So this is here, this is here. Okay. Look at this now. How much did we take out? We take out this one and this one. So we cleaned your position. We made you smart. We made your money to invest. So this and this. So altogether, you have like, so I will put it here, money to invest. Invest. Like 4328 plus 400 something 87. 7 equals plus 800 and 112. Okay, so your money for invest here is 812. Now, but let's go with another scenario. So if from here it goes up to here, your money, this one that is left, it's gonna rise for 50%, meaning you're gonna have like 1138 plus 50%, 100. So we're telling about here 1707. Yes, we are not up to this, but if this one continues, so if it continues back up, you get 100%. Okay, so this is continuing. So in the worst case scenario that we miss, that this is wrong and this is not the bottom, that this is the bottom, not this, you can still get your all money back. Okay, you get my drift, yeah? So if you take this and you take plus 100%, not your all money, but close. So here is like 2276. 2276. Let's do this a little prettier. So here I'm talking this 227. Oops. 76. Okay. The best scenario for you is that this continue down. This continue down. But this is like you have this plus this. So you made 500 euros. And you lowered your risk, you see? Okay, So you made like 3K. So in any point, you're gonna be a winner, but this one will be more profitable. So now let's leave this here, and we know how much this will cost when we get up. Let's do this position. Let's say you're gonna put 812 here and hold it all the way to this top. You're gonna have 400%, meaning you have this plus this money. Why is it like that? Okay, so plus 8112. I think it 3 times, so like 400%. That means that altogether you have 6, 4, 7, 1, 12. And so you saved your investment, and that's all you did. You saved your investment, it almost doubled it. So yeah, I hope this makes sense. Definitely to see. Okay, I hope if this doesn't make sense, I mean, this is all statistic, yeah. So we have like this to come down. So for this to come back down, we have like 50-50. So in every case scenario, it's still better to sell here, because if it comes up, you're at 0. If it continues down, you make double your money. Who taught you the percentage? The life. The life taught me that. Sana is a legend. Who taught you that? I want to know. No, really, the life. You just go like this and like seeing stuff like that and like making money. Like this is actually, this is nothing special. This is just like managing money, your money. This is managing your money. This is how you should do it. Like you should, but you don't. Everybody should manage its own money, but people just don't do it. Where to learn managing money? Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. Maybe we can do some. Maybe we can do some video about it. Yeah, the percentages. I mean, this is basic math, so here is nothing special. It's just put in the orders for you to understand. So don't know how to answer that. Sorry, don't know. Even if I not that I don't want to share this knowledge, because I do, because this is like the percentage. Yeah, it's very simple math. It's just logic behind it. Like, you know, you're waiting for percentage, you're waiting for everything. Like stuff like that. Yeah, magic. I mean, this is like why math was for, you know. At least in my life, it's to use it as in your life as in logic. I don't know how to explain it, because for me this is like basic. That's why you need to know your basics. Like what I said in the first 5 calls, master the basics. Yeah, so now you know what is going to happen or how it's going to happen. And then you just need to stop yourself, to screw yourself, something like that. Because yeah. So you need to stop yourself before you kind of screw yourself. I mean, I know that's funny, but it's so damn true. So many people are doing that. That you would not believe how many people are actually doing the right stuff, but then subconsciously they are like, I will give you a real life example. Everybody do that, but this is one of them. So this is unconsciously, you're afraid to be successful. You're not afraid to, if you're afraid to fail, then you start looking for excuses why you should not do that. But if you are like afraid to win, then you're starting to win, and now you're looking for excuse. Now you're looking for a way to screw yourself. So that means that deep down you're afraid to win. You're afraid that you're going to be a winner. Why? I don't know. I know why. But people do that over and over and over again. What books do you read? I have at home now my library. I can proudly say it is more than, I have more than 50 books, or around 500 euros, something like that. So my library is growing. So what book do I read? I read psychology books. I read Forex book. I read books about, yeah, especially psychology. Then about how to control your beliefs. Let's say the best book if you're afraid to succeed, or if you're stuck, would be Magic of Thinking Big. But you need to know that if you read, like, so many people are reading books wrong. So this book is magic. This one pushed me, so I started to make billions. Some people are like, they read book once and they're like, I know everything. Dude, I look at the chart 5,000 times per day and I still don't know everything. You know? And that's what reality is. So you don't know everything. So why act like you do? Right? So what do you need to do? I take, every year I buy 10 books. But your psychology side work, yeah, of course. I'm upgrading it all the time. I read like from 10 to 30 pages every day. I'm investing myself because I know that I need to keep evolving, because if you are not growing, you are dying. I have a book at my toilet. So even when I'm in my toilet and I'm doing like waiting for 10 minutes for something to happen, you know, joking, but yeah, I read. I have a book on my phone. So when I don't have physical book, when I go to the doctor, or like I'm always 5 minutes early on the meetings, and I take book outside and I read a page. If not, I read it on the phone. Always, because your brain will start to absorb information more and more and more. And for Forex, you need to be like a sponge. You need to take all of these entry, stop loss rules inside, and then keep evolving that. So this is like exercise. Oh, look on. Ah, zero bomo imeli entry-ja. Nič ne zamuda. So guys, this is valid. So far, this is not valid entry. I want to see this candle close below, or at least close below here. When this will happen, we'll come. We will go. We will go. Yeah, not there yet. We need to close below here somewhere. So let's wait. How much pips is that? How much pips? 9 pips. Yeah, it's not worth it yet. Let's wait. This one is getting ready, I think. Yeah, I would say somewhere around here. Yeah. So, but no. It's 30 minutes. Yeah. Just let's wait for this one to close, then we will see if we can get nice entry inside here and continue down. So yeah. So 30 more minutes. We probably get some entry, so you can leave it then. I mean, this one is not like close below, yes, but we are against 4 hour against like 4 hour here is bullish, so we're going against. And that's why I don't want to be in this trade, not even this sell. So I rather see this one closes below and maybe we can get nice pullback and then continuation, but it will be very risky trade. So, and it's bank holiday. So as you can see now, like before London, small volume. New York opens, small volume. Before London opens, small volume. Like nothing happening. Nothing is happening. Da smo pa razlagali, kak je imela Sanja tukaj noter, je dala 2,5 ur, pa kaj ne zdaj naredi, ne? Da pač bo potegnila ven. To je ok, tekst. Sem tekst. Pa se lahko da. Ne trade, pač vrgla je noter, ne. Če sem tebe zaklenil, kam greš ti? Pijac. Super, glej sam, razmišljaj o fake-outih. Po mojem ni slab buy. Ne, lej, EDH si kupil zdaj na 950, dej poglej za retracement 30%. Se pravi, če ti od te številke, kaj si kupil, 30% pač zraste, ne, prodaj. Pa si svoj kapital pač za 30% ne, ujačil, ampak imaš še kar si pa ready, ne, če bo padec, ker nek winter mora priti, ne. Ne more biti bull run forever. Stari, če tega ni na Wall Street, zakaj bi bilo kriptoti? Pa če weekly se je close red, še enkrat se bo. Ok, mislim, da sem poslal. Ja, mislim, da sem se driftal. Ja, itek, da ni logike, se ne more biti. Ne more biti. Tega, I don't like this one, so this is not trade, so don't give me then, you said to enter. No, I did not. I never said to enter there. But this one potentially could be great sell. This potentially could be like from this point and down, great sell, but we didn't have any closure. And like I said, we're going against the 4 hour. So I don't like that, so I try to avoid that. Okay. Capa Luca, capa, ca să mi se reći, capa Londončka, da? Rastrgo, stari moj, rastrgo sam ga. Guys, Velo, Sanya, any more questions? So I'm not just talking to Luca on this call. So tomorrow I think a lot don't know where to start. Sanya, a lot don't know where to start. Start about what? Questions. Always at the beginning. Like, what is the how to? I mean, we will do everything. I will put you up. I will give you a course how to ask a question. How do you ask a question? You put the questions out, right? You type down the question, and then if I know the answer or I get your question, I will answer 100% all I can do. But if I don't get your question, you know what will happen? I'm gonna ask you, how can you specify this more? Or what do you mean by that? And then you will find the perfect question that I can answer. And this is how it always works. So the best thing, like the best way to ask is just to ask. And later on, I will ask you sub questions, stuff like that, and it will be great. Yeah, that's it. You're going at least 4 hours, and I think in half an hour we'll finish. Yeah, much bank holiday danes finish. Koliko sem naredil, je rekel? Na ta malem računi, kjer imam pač malo večji riziko, ne, pač ki me kopira normalni riziko na onega. Sem naredil, damn boy. Se pravi. Stari, sva nisem pogledal do zdaj, koliko sem naredil. Bom te napisal, ker to ni za tukaj gor. Ti bom ga napisal. Zdaj nisem gledal, sem sam tradal, veš. Pa zjutraj sem pogledal prvi trade, ne, ampak pa itak. Ja, veš kaj naredim? Prvi trade, prva dva trada, probaš sam naloadat, ne, potem se sam trudiš, da tisti dan, ali pa tisti session ne riskiraš več, koliko si naredil, ne. So yeah, guys, tomorrow we may have London session. I still don't know, I will let you know. But tomorrow we may have London session. I start at 7. So yeah. And I don't talk as much as in New York because I'm sleeping. Right, Luca? You know that. But yeah, you tomorrow at 7. You to see them. So tomorrow at 7 a.m. That's right. 7 in the morning in Europe. I'm going to have London session. But I will not talk as much as I'm doing it here because I will be very, very, very sleepy. And I am like, early in the morning, I'm like subconsciously trading. So I will just tell you when I place order or why. I will not explain why, I will just show you which order I place, and that's that. So yeah. Why so early? So early because we can have our first entry. So my first entry today, so I slept in, so it didn't happen, but my first entry today was at 8. So this trade, I took this trade, so around here. Yeah, Lucas, yeah, so somewhere around here. So this one, then I wanted another one for here, but I want another one here, but it bounced, so I put break even and it fall down, so I went out at the right time. And if I was like at 6 or like at 7, if I was here at 7, here would be my entry and this would be my trade. So 10 pips, and I still don't know how I could enter here. So yeah. Also EURUSD, if I was like, why so early? If I was like here up at 2 o'clock, this whole move would be my trade. So I think around here, something like that. I know I had it before, but I deleted. So yeah, let's say it would go up to here. So okay, so that's why that early. So 9. Yeah, this is 50 minutes. Oh, that's why I don't see it. Also, I had trade, I think this one, yeah, at 8. So this was my trade. I didn't close here. I closed around here when it come down. Okay. So yeah, that's why so early. Because like I said, I'm sleeping behind the charts. And at 9, when the London opens, I wake up and I'm up few pips. There, guys. Okay, I think this is it. I don't see any good moves now. Maybe sell below here. So let's wait for another 4 minutes. If we don't get any chance, yeah, this would be turn bad. This would be like disaster right now. So if we stayed here, this would be like 6 pips and now break even. Okay. Okay. All my life been waiting for this rate. Even Panther is sleeping today because he knows. He knows. Oh my God, he knows. He knows. Yeah, maybe this one could be entry. But then this still means that there's big possibility to come to this level, and yeah. The risk reward would be great, 5 pips. Okay. Da 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 da. Yeah, of course I know. Not a lot. Not a lot. Yeah. How many people use Panther? 10,000 are missing. Like 10,000 more should be using Panther. It's okay to close Panther trades. It is okay. I mean, you will not damage the Panther, so he will continue to trade, but the statistic will not work anymore. So if you're closing trade manually, its statistic will cease to exist, because maybe sometimes you will do the good thing, but most of the times you will do the bad thing. You know what will happen if you close it manually? If you close it manually, so you will start to close it manually, and you will be thinking, yeah, okay, and you will close it when it will be like 0.5% in the profit. The take profit is 1%. And when it's in minus like 0.5%, you will not close, you will let it hit your stop loss. So you personally will be the one who is closing profits, and let stop loss hit, which means that the statistic and risk reward will fail you. That's why I say no to that. So, so yeah, this was probably the best. You need to hype more now. I don't hype. I don't like hyping, because hype attracts people that will hype, that will lie. Okay. Need to hype more. That's a good one. I mean, yeah, maybe. But I don't like to hype, you know. I'm like the realest man there is. I will tell you in the face what I think about you. Because I don't believe in look, I don't believe in lying. I believe in telling the truth. And that's it. Yeah, no, Sanya, I know it was a joke, but it's a good joke. I mean, really good one. I mean, the best feeling in the world is when you have like the perfect trading day. The perfect. I mean, it's not perfect yet, but I'm getting close. So the perfect trading day, when you like take 5 trades and okay. Bom ti pokazal kaj. Like this sum. So you click this one, object tree. I hope this helps, Luca. But yeah, Sanya. So like I told you, I believe in truth. I believe in honesty, and that's it. That's all there is for me. All the rest is just yeah. So and I don't know if you saw, but I wanted to enter here, but it's like really risky. So nope. Still risky. So like this is 30 pips. But really risky, like really risky. So why would I put myself at risk? After a successful day like this, why would I put myself at risk? Why are you not putting your children at risk? Ask yourself that. So why are you doing it to your capital? Hey, kids, jump under the car. You don't say that. Why not? Because you know that they will do it. And you will be in trouble. Yeah. Protect your account like you protect your children. That I think that's a great logo. I think that would change some lives, dude. I think that would change some lives. What do you think? What is your opinion about my what is your opinion about my expression of my thoughts? Great, the best, evolving, clear. Yeah, clear. Okay, clear. I like clear. I mean, I was expecting the best, you know. Joking. But you know, yeah. Guys, it's on you. No one is stopping you from getting wealthy as fuck. No one is stopping. Listen to me when I say this. No one is stopping you from getting wealthy and sucker rich as fuck. No one is in your way, only you. You can have all the riches you can imagine. You're the only, I would say it in the, I don't know, then probably YouTube will have problems. So you're the only modern FFFF, you know what I mean? You need to know what I mean, that is stopping you from succeeding. No one has that power but you. No one. Like ever. No one ever did. No one will ever have. Only you, not the government, not the recession, not the market, not your boss. No one has power over you. If he has it or they have it, it's because you gave it to them. No one can stop. Look, tell me you can stop a mother from protecting its child. Tell me you can do it. Tell me you can do that. And I guarantee you she will kick you right where you need to be kicked. Okay. I'm thinking of selling this. Okay, guys, I will do one experimental trade. Who is with me? Who wants to experiment? How much this? Okay. This is our stop loss. This is our stop loss. This is our entry. We are not in yet. Maybe you can go. Can we go in yet? Wait. Yeah, maybe. So this one is that. This one is that. Okay. Okay. Okay, get ready to enter. Get ready to enter. Use small risk. Please just use small risk because I'm not so sure about this trade, but I'm entering here. So I will use 0.001. Okay. So this is like experimental trade. We will see if it works. So for me, my entry is for, oh, nice. I did good. So this is my entry. I'm in this trade right now. My stop loss is up here. So on that week, so my stop loss is like 6 pips. That's okay. And I want to see something like this. I think here, where could be a problem? We can have problem at these weeks, but honestly, until here, what is 4 hours telling me? Yeah, look, this could be it. Like, Yeah, let's put it like this. Okay, let's see what happens here. So this is the trade we're gonna take. I'm gonna copy the link. Copy the link. So I will open this for you. So entry price, stop loss, you can go in. Yeah, I will explain. Just a second. Okay. So why sell here? Okay. On daily, we have bearish, strong bearish momentum. We had bounce back. So maybe we are just creating this channel to put it back down. Weekly, sell. I think that we are making weekly weak because it's strong bearish momentum. Now, if we go back to 4 hour, we are still in sell, but here we are actually seeing this, so triangle. Maybe this one can go up here, but if not, you can make clear range so we can fill all of this up, okay? So I'm just looking for correction of this way. Maybe we can continue. Here is the zone, and maybe we can get some bounce, okay? 30 minutes, this high was not broken yet. We see rejections, 1, 2 candles in 1 hour that are rejecting this very slowly, very poorly, but they're still rejecting. So maybe. So yeah, that's it. So this is like very experimental, something voodoo, I don't know how we want to call it, but I'm gonna go with that. Maybe I'm wrong. I mean, there's a big chance that I'm wrong. But yeah. Where is you? Where is you? I'm here. You are here. You are you. 10, 27. So 1 to 4 and 5. Let's 4 and 5. Yeah, now it's better. Okay. Okay. We will see. So when we will know that this one, when the candle, the 50-minute candle, this one next closes bearish, and this one closes bearish. We know that this one is solid, and we can put stop loss to break even, because I will end stream soon, so we will see what happens. And when this one closes below here, you can put your stop loss in, let's say, somewhere around here. So, or let's say 10 pips or 10 pips in profit, that's okay, or 5 pips. And when we close below here, I mean, then it's a take profit. So, okay, let's see. I don't know what will happen. I'm just reacting to the market. No, I'm not my, how can I say it? My magic ball is not working right now. It's just watching. I know this explanation is not good, but when you're practiced like me all the time, but yeah, when you get high skilled, so where do you want to go? You need to come to the place. So we have four basics of the learning. Yeah, one is, oh, how to try that? This will not be good. Okay, first, so phases of learning and method learning. data. That mastering, I don't know, let's say mastering everything. Everything, doesn't matter what. First phase is unconsciousness. I have no idea how you can spell it. I will type it to the Google later. Competence. Second phase. Unconscious, uncompetence. Second phase. Consciousness. I will fix it later. I know. Let's put this to Google to fix it. So I don't. So the YouTube trolls will not kill me now. I'm kidding. I don't care about them. What is it? Ah, the face. No, I don't need to face. I'm not a robot. Wait. Translate. Consume on consumed. Oh damn! I went far. Learning, yeah, on consciousness. Competence. Unconscious. Unconscious. Incompetence, yeah. So then you have conscious. Oh, what have I done now? Incompetence to core. Conscious incompetence. So I will explain later what it means, so I don't need to Google everything. Competence. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now it's perfect, you see. Sometimes you need to use some tools. Okay. So these are the phases of learning and mastering everything. Whatever you like, cooking, trading, whatever you want. Okay. First is unconscious competence. What this mean? This means I don't know what I don't know. Got it? So you need to realize that you don't know what you don't know. Okay. Second, now you found out that you don't know how to trade or you don't know how to hook. So you're consciously unconscious. You know that you don't know. Veš da ne znaš, ne? Okay. Pa imaš next. Yeah. So next phase, conscious incompetence. Third phase, conscious competence. So you know how to do it. So like you see me all the time, you've written down all the rules, you saw me how to do it, and you're doing it with thinking. So like you're saying, okay, I need this. Yes, it happened, go. And then you come to, and you do it in conscious competence, you do it over and over and over again. And then you stop and it comes to your automatic, to your autoponents, into the unconscious competent. That means you don't know why you're right, you just have, we call it gut feeling. Okay, so in Slovenian, nezavedno neznanje, se pravi ne vem, čega ne vem, zavedno neznanje, vem, da tega ne vem, zavedno, zavedno oziroma zavestno vem, kako to narediti, se pravi, vem korake, vem vse, in če se vodim, ne vem, tako, ko si zavežeš vezalke, ta gre gor, ta gre spati pa naprej, unconscious competence, pa ne razmišljaš več, pa sam še narediš. So in English, in Croatian or Serbian, I don't speak that good, so I think it's better for me to just stay with English. Oh, that would be nice. Wow, Velo, why you didn't say Audi GP? Why? This one would be nice. This one would be really nice. Or this one, this trade, or this trade on the flip. I think they're the same trade right now. Okay. It's okay. It's okay to be gay. Don't worry, mama say. It's a joke. Okay, did you get what I meant to tell you with this one? So we are in this trade. It's nicely falling. When we get close below, oh, we did. Okay. Okay, so I think you can lower your stop losses to, let's say, 2 pips. Okay, you can do this. So you went from risking 5-6 pips to 2 pips. Okay. Nope. Allah have mercy on me. Je vais okay. So for after. Okay, okay. So now we need break of structure, but this is what happens when you turn off dollar. Cool. So let's see, maybe this will win the race, maybe not. This one was nice, actually. On here, I will be 5-7 pips. 10. All good. We have this one, which is currently 4 pips in profit. 3 pips. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Close je below, se pravi, close je pod tem zonom, in pa lep range imaš, ne? Je pa res, da tukaj imaš eno urni je še kar, zdaj trenutno je že beriš, ampak prej si bil pa nasprot boljša, tako dejansko tole je samo, daily je pa itak bullish, ne? Kje je bil daily? Ja, bullish. Tako dejansko to je čisti retracement, ne? Pač vidiš, da ti tukaj nov wave začne in potem iščiš te entryje, ne? Ampak tale je samo do tukaj zihar, ne? Tle naprej je bolj zihar, do tle pa ne vem več, kaj bo. Je dnevno je bolj, ja. Tako da iščeš baje, vse to je prav, nisi ne zajeval. Ampak opcijsko pa tudi vse iščiš, sam boš večkrat zmagal, če boš šel z dnevno, ne? Evo ga, ne? Vse zaradi tega pada, ne? So these are news are pushing the market right now. That's why this is happening. Okay, what about this one? Nice, look at this. Look at this gentleman go. Look at this one. Look at it. Look. The gentleman. 7 pips in profit. 8 pips in profit. Good job, guys. Good job. You can put stop loss to 0 or 1 pip in profit. Okay, of course, nice. Of course. I mean, Bello, come on. You came here, you see me do my magic every time. Doesn't work every time, but that's okay. It works most of the time, that's what's important. So put it like, ooh, where did it go? So put it like 1 pip into profits. Okay, I don't know. Maybe we can find something more stable. Yeah, so this will work. So put it like here. So you see a price. So I put stop loss into wait, where is that one? We'll hide the zoom. If you don't, I just move it in the profit for now. So if it reverses fast, you're not losing anything. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Note. Price label. There you go. So this is your stop loss. You can put the stop loss to here. So you have secured what? 2 pips. Perfect. 1.5 pip. And currently we are 13 pips. 13 pips in profit. 13 pips in profit. So if you want, you can move. So if someone wants, here is your profit. So if it comes to these weeks, this is your profit number 1. But if you don't know if this one will continue, you can put stop loss here. Okay, so stop loss 10 pips. Let me help you. So here, okay, you can secure this, you can close here, whatever you want to do. So 10 pips secured. Good job, everyone who closed here. And now, there you go, you got your trade. You got your trade. Are you happy now? Are you happy? Because I'm extremely happy. Yes. Life is the best. EURUSD. So I'm still waiting for closure below, but there may be some sell going on here. Yeah, and this one would be so. This one, so this one closed below. Okay, 15 minutes closed below, then wick back. Okay, we would look for entry around here. So our entry would be around here, something like that. So here would have 20 pips. Sorry, I didn't saw that, but that's okay. Stuff like this happen. There are a lot of trades out there. And especially since I'm extremely happy with my trading today, I will not say anything else. So thank you for your time. If someone wishes to hold this one, you can hold it up to take profit. I don't know it will be a hit. You will see at the 5 minute, watch at the 5 minute. Maybe if you didn't put your stop loss here, you can put it now on the wick. So like here, if you want, I don't know. But yeah, this is it for me, guys. I will type into the chat of altitude trading, if tomorrow is London session. If it will be, I will not talk. I will just trade. So thank you for understanding and have a great day. I wish you all a very successful rest of the day. Bye-bye.